How is it going everybody? Mr. Android here. Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. Today I am really excited because I've got here with me a very special box from Samsung that has the much anticipated Samsung Galaxy M47. They're calling this M series phone a complete monster experience, carrying forward that true monster series legacy. We'll find out if it's truly delivering that or not in today's video, but before we do that, let's quickly open this up. Inside, we get the usual documentation, a Type-C to Type-C cable and the phone itself, which is in this gorgeous red color and is absolutely stunning to look at. I mean, I've never seen an M series phone look this good, and it also feels super premium to hold as well. But what actually gives the phone an incredibly distinct look is the dual tone finish. As you guys can see, we have these side frames in this clean silver color, and the combination of that silver and deep red looks absolutely stunning. I think Samsung has done a fantastic job here in terms of design and overall look and feel. Now under the hood, this phone is powered by the Snapdragon 4nm 6th Gen 3 processor, and the best part, you get LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. I mean, having that LPDDR5X RAM is a massive deal because it significantly boosts data transfer speeds and power efficiency, meaning the phone handles heavy multitasking and background apps with absolute ease without draining your battery. So in daily usage, apps open really fast and the animations are completely smooth thanks to the goodness of One UI 8.5. You're not gonna notice any lag or stutter even if you're switching between heavy apps frequently. I mean, I myself haven't noticed any frame drops, and it does feel much faster and more responsive compared to other M series phones. Now coming to the front, we are getting a massive 6.7 inches Super AMOLED display with a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate, and honestly, I'm really happy that Samsung is still providing the AMOLED panel here in this price segment. As we have seen, a lot of other brands have actually been downgraded to LCD screens to cut down on cost, especially in this range. And even the bezels look perfectly fine to me. I mean, they have trimmed down the side bezels, which makes the phone look cleaner from the front and gives you an immersive experience whether you're watching content, playing games, or just scrolling through your social feed. Also, the colors are exactly what you would expect from Samsung. They are punchy, super vibrant with perfect deep blacks. Plus, it features adaptive brightness and vision booster, so the screen intelligently adjusts to harsh, direct sunlight. Plus, you don't have to worry about accidental spills or rough usage, as it comes with solid water and dust resistance built right in. In fact, the Galaxy M47 is the only smartphone in this segment to feature Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection, giving you 4 times better scratch resistance and solid protection even against accidental drops, which is amazing for peace of mind. Samsung has also packed a massive 6000 mAh battery inside, and thanks to the optimization of the power efficient 4nm chip and One UI 8.5, this thing is an absolute champ in terms of battery life. I mean, it can easily get you through a full day of heavy usage without having to charge your phone, and what's even more amazing is a feature called bypass charging. What it does is, when you plug your phone using the 45 watts charger while gaming, the power goes directly to the phone instead of charging the battery. This is huge because it stops the phone from heating up and keeps your performance lag-free during long sessions. Talking about the cameras, because what I believe is that a true monster device needs to capture great photos too. On the back, we are getting a 50 megapixels main camera with OIS support. So if you tend to have shaky hands when shooting or taking quick pictures, that OIS will be your lifesaver, as it keeps your pictures perfectly sharp and blur free every single time. And that physical stabilization also means you can shoot incredibly smooth, stable videos without any camera shakes. Now coming to the front, we are getting a 12 megapixel HDR selfie camera, and I think it's the only phone in this price segment that actually gives you front facing HDR. This means the phone balances the exposure naturally even under the bright sky or harsh sunlight. It also has Samsung's nightography feature built in, which automatically reduces noise to give you clean and sharp low light portraits, which is again something that is really good. Now when it comes to capturing videos, you can record up to 4K resolution, which is great if you want to capture crisp, high quality videos from your phone. And once you have taken your shots, Galaxy M47 also has some useful AI editing tools built right inside the Gallery app. For example, there is something called Object Eraser, which lets you easily remove any unwanted objects from your photos with just a single tap, and it actually comes in really handy at times. And all this can be done without having to install any third-party app on your phone. Moving on to the software, this is where Samsung is miles ahead of any other brand in the market right now. The Galaxy M47 runs on One UI 8.5 based on Android 16 right out of the box, and it completely changes the game. I mean, it is not only feature packed, it also feels way more refined, polished, and gives you that premium experience even on a mid-range phone like this. And to match that premium flagship experience, Samsung has also packed some useful AI features. You get Circle to Search, which lets you instantly look up anything on your screen by just long pressing the home button and drawing a circle around it. Then it also has Google Gemini integrated as your default AI assistant, giving you a full agentic Gemini experience. So you just long press the power button to quickly access and get deep contextual help from Gemini on the go. On top of that, you get some incredibly handy features like a secure private album for your sensitive media, seamless tap and pay for quick checkouts, built-in voicemail, and live voice transcription that makes taking notes effortless. Not just that, this phone also comes with a hardware level Knox Vault security, which is exclusive to Samsung, and there is an auto blocker feature to safeguard your phone passwords and banking apps from any malware attacks. Now the best part is that Samsung is giving 6 years of OS upgrades as well as security patches, which is again an amazing thing considering the fact that it's a mid-range phone. Overall, I am sure you're gonna love the software experience on this device. So what's the final verdict on the Galaxy M47 5G? Look, while most other brands right now are busy raising prices and cutting down on specs, Samsung is completely changing the game here. I mean, they have genuinely broken the traditional mid-range template this time around by giving you that faster LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 3.1 storage with a gorgeous looking Super AMOLED display, adding a physical OIS to the camera, and promising 6 years of software updates. They have built a phone that just works really well, focusing entirely on delivering premium and refined experience. So if you're looking for a reliable, fast and secure device that's gonna last you for the next few years without slowing down, then this is an incredibly solid option to consider for the price. And speaking of the price, this is where things get really interesting. The Galaxy M47 is launching at a special offer price of just $22,999, and the sale starts on 4th of July right alongside the Amazon Prime Day. But keep in mind, this special launch price is only for the Prime Day, and the price will definitely go up right after that. So if you want to grab this deal, you need to act fast on July 4th before it's too late. That's pretty much it for this video. Do let me know in the comment section which is your favorite feature of Galaxy M47. And if you guys liked this video, then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android, and I'll see you guys in the next one.